what we're going to do today is cut out some of these crosses, and we're going to try to make some of them. And I talked to my dad, and these come out of the Clinch River and the Little Pigeon River in the 1960s. So they're 62-year-old, and my grandfather got them. This you can actually, if you get the two shells, you can tell them apart. This particular shell right here is out of the Little Pigeon, which is up in kind of like Gatlinburg, Townsend, and all that area up in there, Sevierville. So I've got 8 of these things to make. My wife's giving them out for Christmas or for Easter rather, and I'm gonna get them ready for her. I hadn't cut them in a while. Did a practice run here the other day just to make sure, see what was going on. It's been a few years since I've cut any of these things out, and those old shells are hard. It's just slow cutting, but man, they are pretty. They look pretty freaking cool when you get them done. But with that being said, we're gonna fire it up and get her going. It's gonna be loud. Everything else will hand sand. We'll hand buff it, hand sand it. Not too bad. It's got a nice little concave to it. That's what I was trying to get on that one. This one's a little weird, little shapely. Kind of makes them a little bit different. Kind of neat